The sky leans low to kiss the Thames. Umbrella ghosts drifting through the haze. Your name in the air, soft as a flame. Leaves fall like secrets nobody names. We talked about dreams that we never chased. Laughed at the rain as it kissed our mistake. London kept whispering softly our names. That rainy autumn Wednesday by the Thames, your hand in mine, we just let it all go. No tomorrow, no yesterday to know. No promise, no reason to explain. Just a rainy autumn Wednesday by the Thames. Your scarf was red like a silent flame. The world felt small, but our hearts untamed. We missed the train, but it felt so right to stay in the rain till the end of the night. We talked about time like it owed us more. Two broken hearts finding what they've been looking for. The bridge stood still watching love's refrain. That rainy autumn Wednesday by the Thames, your hand in mine, we just let it all go. No tomorrow, no yesterday to know. No promise, no reason to explain. Just a rainy autumn Wednesday by the Thames. The water carried our laughter away, but I still hear your voice in the break of day. Every drop that falls knows your name, and the Thames remembers just the same. Your shadow leaves where we used to go. No goodbye ever sounded so low. No forever, yeah, nothing remains but the rainy autumn Wednesday by the Thames. Gray sky fades into silver flames. Still I walk, whispering your name.